Let me get to this breaking news on Tesla. The Wall Street Journal reporting that Tesla suppliers are apparently concerned that the electric vehicle giant may not be able to pay them due to Model 3 production draining the company's cash. Now, several suppliers telling the Journal that suppliers have said Tesla has tried to stretch out payments or have asked for significant cash back in the form of rebates. Some smaller suppliers claim they haven't even been paid yet, according to public records. But as you look at shares, intraday, they're moving much higher, and they've just gone from being negative almost all day to back up into the green, because within these headlines, Tesla had some good news. They said they have millions of dollars in cash. They may tap their revolving round of credit, which they already paid back. So now we go to Charlie Gasparino, who's got more. Charlie.
Well, I'm still trying to figure out why this is a positive for the company.
Probably because I was thinking the same thing. It sounds like they have their act together when it comes to, no, this is what we're going to do. We're going to tap the credit line and we're going to pay everybody on time.
So we're going to tap a credit line, but we have cash. I'm just saying some of this doesn't make sense. And I will say one thing about Elon Musk and Tesla, because now that I'm into the stock, after last week's story that we exclusively broke about the SEC starting a formal investigation with subpoenas, I've been going back and looking at some of Mr. Musk's statements. He should take a page from Jamie Dimon. Under promise, over deliver. He does just the opposite. Keeps saying that they're cash flow positive. He keeps saying they're going to be profitable. It never happens. He keeps making very high production estimates on the Model 3, which are never met or haven't been met. I mean, this is a real problem for the company, that if you keep over-promising and under-delivering, at some point the market is going to look at you as a glass half full instead of a glass half empty, as opposed to glass half full. And that's what you have right now, despite today. I think today's the first day in 5 days Tesla has finished the day up, just so you know.
Part of it, I think, might be that within these records that the Dow Jones Newswires are reporting here, they didn't get it from Tesla. They say Tesla expects to tap $500 million credit line. I told you that, but that they expect to have cash at the end of Q3 to be in the hundreds of millions of dollars higher than what they have at the end of
listen,
Q2.
I think now that they're under multiple investigations, from Mr. Musk's statement regarding funding secured to some of their other statements in the past involving the Model 3 production goals. I think they would be crazy to put out a false something like that isn't buttoned down now. And I'm assuming this is an official company statement, not
a record.
It's
getting it from records.
Records. Okay, so they're saying that. Well, I would just say this, and this is the one problem with this company. You have to look at it this way. Is this worth is a battery, and this is kind of how you have to look at it, worth $300 a share? And because the most innovative thing here is apparently the battery. The type of car itself can be commoditized. Other people can do it, and other people are going to do it, and they have good management in these other places. So you really have to ask yourself as an investor. And by the way, it might be worth $300 a share or $400. I don't know, but and I've heard people make cases that the battery is so great, blah blah blah, it's innovative, and that's for you, the investor, to figure out: is the battery worth $300 a share or $400, or is it worth $200, or as the short sellers will tell you, it's worth anywhere between $150. That is the game here. And on our closing seconds, I would just say that's your business. You have to do your own research, and don't put your trust in a man. Put your trust in the numbers.
I will give you anecdotal evidence. I just came from Los Angeles. Every other car is a Tesla there, and everyone loves it. Okay, they love it. They believe in this guy, and that'll do it for us.